Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to discuss how can you convert your text into an image. So um, I have covered so much about ChatGTP in my videos. Maybe I have created around 20 videos on that topic. So let's move to other AI tools. So this specific tool is also by OpenAI. It's called DALL-E 2, which convert your text or prompts into image. First of all, go to Google and type for DALL-E. So you will see here it's DALL-E creating images from text. Open on the click. When you click, you will get to their main website. Click on Try DALL-E. When you click on that, you'll see um, you'll see this page. So obviously you have to log in or create an account on their platform first. So here you will see I have typed here a village boy, wounded bird, Pixar style 8K storytelling nobler. So this prompt, the response of the DALL-E was it gave me these four variation. So similarly, I have tried other prompts like this one. It is the picture of our solar system, Ultra HD 8K. This was my prompt, and DALL-E gave me these four images, which was pretty amazing. I cannot show you the live testing because there is a program of DALL-E which grant you 15 credits each month. So by using whenever you type something and generate an image, so one credit is utilized. So right now, if you see my credits, I ran out of my monthly credits. So I think I'll get more credit on 24th of April 2023. So yeah, then I will be able to create more images. Each month you will get 15 credits. But unfortunately, if you have not joined DALL-E before 6th of April 2023, then you will not be able to uh, get 15 credits each month, because if you go to their help.openai.com, there is an article how their credits work. So you see here it's their free credits are granted to early adopters of DALL-E who signed up before April 6, 2023. So I think if you have already signed up on OpenAI account, meaning if you already have maybe you already have a chat GPT account, then maybe there is a possibility that both accounts are linked together and you will consider as the early adopters of DALL-E. Well, I am not sure about it, but you have to check out. If you joined before, if you have joined before 6th April, then that's good news. You can test out free without paying any money. Otherwise, you have to buy the credits. So click on the go to their labs.openai.com/your account, and you can buy the credits, which cost around $15 for 115 credits. Well, I personally do not recommend, because I do not like this AI service as much, because there are other tools which I will be covering, and believe me, their image generation process, or maybe the style of image generation is so amazing than this one. I do not like the DALL-E AI actually. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one with the other AI tool which will convert your prompt or text into the image you want. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.